Alright guys, welcome to another episode of MP Dog Gets Lit! Alright, we're out here fishing at the creek again. I'm with my brother Jency. He's over here. I'm gonna start off with a little crankbait. I know it's a little big for this little creek, but my brother's had luck with this one. It's just a yellow, green, and black crankbait, square bill. Then I'm gonna try, and I have the micro mini hooks. Got these little hooks, and I got some little like crappie bites I'm gonna use. And so I'm gonna see if I can get any kind of fish. We're gonna try to get any. We're micro fishing, but we're gonna see if we can get any fish. Because my brother's been catching bass and catfish with crankbaits, so we'll see what we can get. All right.
He's so small, the camera's not even focusing.
Alright, we came down to this part. It's where the stream comes down to the bayou, and it's mixing in the water, so I'm going to switch to a dark blue and black jig and see if I can get something out of there. Alright, let's see what we can get. Didn't have any luck with that black and blue jig. I'm going to switch to this white chatterbait. See if I can get some. I think it was. It might have been dude, I need to get my pot okay, this thing's coming off. It's about time for topwater. Ooh, ooh, got something. Yeah.
What? Dude. Whoa!
No, 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 no. No. Nice. Nice. Oh, came off. Came off. Okay, okay.
Oh my.
Oh, he's so strong.
Oh really? Yeah, that's like all muscle.
All right.
Dude.
Okay.
Look like snakes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, just got this nice big gar on a micro hook with some bacon. That's what I'm talking about. That's probably the biggest gar I've caught this year for sure. But oh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna get this guy back in, but we're gonna get the release on him.
Okay. Oh, dude.
NOICE.
Nice.
There he goes. Nice.
Dude.
Awesome.
Fuck yeah.
All right, let's get back to fishing.
Too fast because I got stuck over there. Are you serious, you fuck?
All right, that's gonna do it for tonight. As you can see, it's already getting dark, and that trek we made here, we got to make it back in the dark. So, good luck there. All right, I caught that one gar. That was about it, and we were trying to catch a bass, but I was surprised I caught that nice big gar. But we're gonna come back down. We're actually connecting to Buffalo Bayou. So next time we come down, we're gonna go further down the bayou and try to see what we can get down there. There's some bigger ponds and bigger spots down there. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Keep on fishing and stay lit. Aight.